Cordless power tools help you keep your DE workflow smooth with its high precision and effective nature. These power tools are lighter and more convenient than corded power tools. Cordless power tools are a great product to have in your toolbox. It not just makes your work easier, but also helps you work faster. These tools are a great way to get the job done without worrying about a power outlet. Without any cables and cords, you can work freely with its lightweight and easy-to-handle feature. In this video, we will cover the top 5 best cordless power tools available in the market and how they can help you. Welcome to Top5Cart. We are product researchers and testers. We test, analyze and research new products and create a list of the top 5 best products based on price, quality, feature, and user feedback. We also provide upcoming and innovative product ideas so that viewers may know about new products. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best decision. Subscribe to our channel, where you can find the best possible reviews on a wide variety of the newest products available. BLACK+DECKER LDX 120C Cordless Drill. BLACK+DECKER 20V Max is the best cordless drill on the market with longer life, more power, and speed than ever before. BLACK+DECKER 20V Max features an 11-position clutch for precise control when drilling into different materials. The integrated bit holder ensures you always have the right bit at hand. Ideal for drilling into wood, metal, plastic, and all screw driving task. Wattage 1500 watts, maximum power 1800 watts, speed 650 RPM, average battery life 1 hour. DEWALT DCG 413B Angle Grinder. With this DEWALT angle grinder, your job site or home improvement project is going to be a lot easier. This angle grinder is engineered with brushless motor technology, which means you'll never need to change brushes again. There's also a brake on this tool, so if you ever stall out or get bound up, the wheel will automatically stop, so you can't keep going and hurting yourself. But maybe one of the coolest features on this machine is the kickback brake system, which will engage if there's a pinch, stall, or bind-up event sensed, and it'll stop the wheel in 2 seconds or less. Basically, it makes sure that nothing bad happens while you're using this tool. DEWALT DCS 570B Circular Saw. Cutting through any surface with precision is easier than ever before. With a DEWALT 7 1/4 circular saw, your project will be done in no time. With a 7 1/4 inch blade and a powerful 900-watt motor, the DEWALT DCS 570B provides 2 to 9/16 inch cutting capacity at 90 degrees. Want to start cutting now? Check out DEWALT. Porter Cable PCC 670B Reciprocating Saw. Porter Cable PCC 670B Reciprocating Tiger Saw is designed to optimize your productivity on the worksite. No more stressing about running out of power during a long workday. This cordless reciprocating saw cuts vigorously through a variety of materials with its high-performance drivetrain that outputs up to 3000 SPM. Cut in areas where space to move around is limited. Choose the level of output based on the needs of the project, using an integrated variable speed trigger for adjustable control. Makita XOB01Z Palm Sander. The 18VLXT lithium-ion cordless 5-inch random orbit sander offers increased efficiency and mobility to woodworkers. This sander features 3 speed settings, superior ergonomics, and up to 40 minutes of run time on a single charge. Match the speed to the application with 3 speed settings, which are easily changed with a one-touch electronic control switch. It's powered by one 18VLXT lithium-ion battery, which offers increased mobility and less weight. Take your woodworking to the next level. Get increased efficiency and mobility with Makita XOB01Z Palm Sander. Save time and frustration with a Makita Palm Sander. We hope you enjoyed our video. Make sure to subscribe our channel and like, comment, share this video.